Hi, I'm Willie Stoltz with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2018 Hino 155 crew cab. But before we get to that, we're going to go over a couple things on how we get up our pre-owned trucks. Here at Industrial Power, we just don't get any truck and put a for sale sign on it. We got a process that we go through because our customers have come to us and they have a couple things that they want. They want a reliable, durable truck. They want a truck that could possibly have a factory warranty left on it or extended warranty. They want it financeable, so pretty much what they're looking for is a turnkey truck solution. When we bring these trucks in, we bring them from our leasing department and trade-ins from our customers. We take a look at each truck. We keep the best quality trucks we can and wholesale the rest of them. Our process starts with a 150-point walk around on these trucks. We go through the cabs, the air conditioners, the bodies, lift gates if it has them, the engine, transmission, tires, brakes. Any discrepancies we find on these, we take them and put them in our medium duty shop and our body shop to have those done. And when that's finished, I take and test drive every truck to ensure that it's ready. We QC them, detail them, and put them out for sale to our customers. This particular truck we're going to do a walk around on today, like I said, it's a 2018 Hino 155 crew cab, double cab, and this particular truck is 41,593. This truck only has 20,000 miles on it, so it's very low mileage, very clean, like new truck. And on top of the stuff that we've done to that on our 150, we've done the oil filter, transmission filter, fuel filter, air filter, and I guess that's all we've pretty much done to it. But this truck has also got powertrain warranty from May 2020, this truck has powertrain warranty from May 2022 or 200,000 miles factory warranty left on this truck. Let's take a look inside real fast. Like I said, this is a crew cab. As we climb into the truck, there's plenty of points to hang on to climb in here. And we get in here and see that it's nice, roomy, comfortable. As you can see, this truck has a suspension driver's seat. It's got a bench seat for 2 people, so you can have 3 across the front. It is a cab over, so you can got plenty of visibility. You can see pretty close in front of you, so if you're in tight spots or in parking lots, your guys can really see what's going on. It's got an automatic transmission, so it's very easy to drive. You can pretty much start this truck, put it in drive, and go. And even though it is used, it is very low mileage, but you can see it's been detailed to a very high quality, so it is a like new truck. Let's look in the back real fast. Back here you got 4 cross seating, so this truck will handle 7 guys, so you can put a crew out and know that you're not going to be getting pulled over for no seat belts. This particular truck is a Hino, and a lot of people don't know that Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you buy a Hino, you know it's backed by Hino's quality and durability that they're known for. This truck has the 5-liter, 210 horsepower engine. It's got a 6-speed Ison automatic transmission in it. And this particular truck has a 16+4 landscape body on it. This one, the sides fold down so you can load from the side. It's got a water jug holder. Of course, it's got the rake and shovel holder in the front. And then it's got fold down ramps in the back, which will fold down real fast. As you can see, we got the ramps folded down. They've got 2 springs per side to assist. And the loading. It's got a 4-foot dovetail, so the ramp's not real great, so your your zero turn mowers will go up. It's got D-rings in the floor. And like I said, it's got where you can put your shovels, rakes, and all your miscellaneous stuff up here. Lock it and keep people away from it. It's 16 foot long, 96 wide. Plenty of room on here. Now I know on our other videos we talk a lot about wrapping the bodies. On this particular truck you don't really wrap the body, but we can still do a wrap on the cab to advertise your company and still turn those fuel dollars into advertising dollars. This truck does have a side-mounted toolbox on it. So we could make this cab look really awesome doing a full wrap on it, and again making it looks brand new, but it would really make it look sharp and drive your customers to you. As we wrap up the walk around on this truck, I think we've gone over the really high points on the truck and what we do to them to make them really nice. So when you buy these trucks, you know you're getting a really high quality truck from Industrial Power. If you'd like to, you could go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook, or subscribe to us on YouTube to see the trucks that we put on every day. We're going to start this truck up and do a walk around on it real quick if you'll stick with us, and we appreciate it.